Here's a leak detection that's going to make you really use your mind and not so much your tools. Yes, you'll use your tools to actually listen to everything and do a regular leak detection, but no tool would have found this leak. We also have an autofill on this pool that was adding water on a timer type deal. Check it out, see how we figured it all out, and see how we came to our conclusion.
So we're going to treat this pool like any other leak detection that we do. We're going to start off by the walk around and listening to all our fittings. We're going to make a mental note of things that we're seeing when we get over here, of which we had a spa control switch in this spa. We're going to move on and we're going to listen to the rest of our pool. But when we come up on this autofill, which is tied to the pool, it's got a timer on it. Well, let's take a look. Let's see what it makes it run. So if we hit this button, we're going to see that this thing runs for 7 minutes a day. But now we're going to see how many days a week. That's 6 days a week. That's 42 minutes of water running into this pool every week. The customer was on the fence about this pool. Was it leaking or not? The pool guy thought it was leaking, and now we know for sure that it actually was. Remember, when you have an autofill putting water into a pool, sometimes it throws you off. It'll throw a homeowner or a pool guy off as to how much it might be losing. So when we came back to this spa switch, we noticed that it's not sealed right. We have a lot of leaks in these spa switches, and when the water in this spa comes to spill, it comes up about two inches higher, which will put it right into that conduit. That's where the leak was.